Julie E. Some of you might know me from Artapalooza over on the Artist Haven channel with Tish Winter. I've done a few of the live Artapaloozas over there and really had fun and enjoy myself, so hopefully I'll keep doing those because I love it. And others might know me from my Etsy shop, AZ Rock Garden. And what I do is I create. I wouldn't put me in a box of any one type of art. I love to pour. I love to paint characters on rocks and stuff. But yeah, so I figured since I'm starting my channel, I want to introduce you to me and to my art. And kind of show you some of the things that we'll do throughout the lifetime of my channel. And I hope you enjoy it. I hope you'll find it fun. I hope you find it educational. And maybe we can learn from each other. Okay, I'll be back with some of the things that I do. Just like you guys, I get my inspiration from other YouTube artists. This one is a reflection swipe, and the inspiration was a combination of Kathleen Osmore, Courtney Bunhauser, and Julie JOTZ. This is Dutch pour. Inspiration for that, Canela Sirocco and Rinskadona. Right there. That pour is inspired by Mina Viegas. This one of my favorites. That's a traveling ring pour. And that was inspired by Kathleen Osmore over at Cause Creations. There's another Dutch pour. Here's a swipe. Really pretty. Inspiration, Julie Cube from Australia. It's a pseudo swipe. Galaxy pour, Sarah Mack. And pouring on different little objects like the MDF board and then sealing it with resin. Thank you for the inspiration, Doris Sue Ford. Christina Welch, Dollar Tree. She's got me hooked on spending hundreds at Dollar Tree. Yeah, glass candy dish poured on and sealed with resin. How awesome is that? So yeah, lots of things there. Those are my babies. The origins of my art journey all started with Rachel's Rocks Canada. And I still love it. I still do it. I'll record it. Yeah. Those are my babies. These were made with silicone molds and cement. Once they dry, pop them out of the molds and paint on them and then cover them in resin. I'll show you how on this channel. That one, desert scene. I just love this one. And this right in here, that's all the natural rock behind it. Just gorgeous, but it looks like the moon, doesn't it? Doesn't that look like the surface of the moon? One of my favorites, absolute favorites. But yeah, this is what my channel's gonna be about. Just got my first silicone mold. Elisa, JOTZ Designs. Yep, the pressure got to me. I had to do it. Now I've got a place to put the leftover resin from when I pour my rocks or seal a painting. All things that are going to be on my channel. And I really, really hope you enjoy this because I love doing art. I love it. I hope you love it too. So until my first regular video, stay safe. Loves and hugs, y'all. Bye. See if those green circles around my eyes keep showing up on the recorded part. Now they're gone. They're just on my glasses. That is so odd. There they are. Ooh. Bit of an acid trip. Trippy! Okay. I like it. It's kind of cool. But we gotta fix it. Hi, I'm Julie E. And some of you might know me from Artapalooza. Others will know me from Etsy. But my cat is bumping my... Oh, okay. Yeah. You wanna say hi? Hi. There's Taz. There's Taz. Yes. He wants to be a YouTube star. He wants to be a YouTube star. Go. Stop. Okay. Take 3.